I am a legislator of India's capital, which is Delhi, and my leader is Arvind Kejriwal. I come from a very young party called Aam Aadmi Party, and within 10 years we have become the largest, one of the largest party in India, and you know that India is 1.4 billion people country, 29 states, and around 8 prominent religion, approximately 1,600 languages. It's a very big country, right? And to manage all this infrastructure and make sure that the entire country is in one law, and they are also given all the opportunity and facilities for their lives to make sure they live peacefully. So my leader Arvind Kejriwal ji has actually given a new thought process to my country, which is free education system, quality free education system, free electricity system. To begin with, we have also done free transportation for women, and also we have done many other new avenues, for example, free waters, etc., etc. So people say that your party is doing a lot of freebies, but what we say that it is not a freebies, because taxpayer money comes to us, and we make sure with honesty we pay them back in terms of their facility, to make sure their lives are more easier. So now I have been associated with IAPP for I think 5 years.
Yes.
And our Asia chairman, Mr. Eknath Dakal, has also given me an opportunity to serve as a co-chair of India for IAPP. We have been doing a lot of program in India because it's a very large country. And when we do all this program for youth, for students, for various other community, one thing which we come to know that there are people who have a lot of money, there are people who have a lot of lands, there are people who have a lot of power, but they are missing one common thing. And what that can be? Will you guess? Yeah, that is peace. Yeah, so, and there are, as I said, there are 8 major religions. So how do we manage to make sure that everybody come on the same platform? So we say there is a one God, whomsoever you believe, but make sure that you believe the human rights, make sure that you believe the world order, make sure that you believe that you allow people to live as respective as you live for your own self. So you will automatically achieve peace, because it's a beginning. And as a IAPP person, we believe there is a very urgent need of global governance system. There has to be a standardized system for all countries. Mutual trust, religion, openness and freeness. Anybody can adopt and follow any religion. And mutual trust for each other, that I respect who you are and I expect the same from you, so that we should respect each other and live peacefully. At the end, I would like to just request to all of you that we all are mostly busy in our own work, because we, as a political leaders, we have a lot of responsibilities. But I think the most important responsibility is to make sure that we resolve the conflict of two states. We get involved, we should get involved to resolve two countries matter peacefully. We should do lot more dialogues, and as a world community we should also, as Michael said, that we have 7,000 plus parliamentarians. If we all move towards one direction, I think that the world will also move towards that direction, and that direction is the direction given by Mother and Father Moon, which is the world peace, happiness, prosperity. Thank you very much, and I extend my sincere respect to all of you. Love from India and peace from me. Thank you very much.
Very good.